Welcome to SpecialT. In this video, we're going to show you how to use tables and templates to make recording therapy notes faster, clearer, and more structured. This feature is designed to save you time, while helping you create consistent professional records across all your sessions. When you begin a session, you'll see a reminder of the therapy areas and activities you plan to work on. Once the session is underway and you're ready to document your notes, simply tap the Notes button. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see the SpecialT editing tools, including the table icon in the bottom right corner. Tap this to get started. Using tables and templates. When you open the table feature, you have two options. Choose an existing template you've already created, or insert a blank table to build a new one. Templates can be reused as many times as you like, and you can create as many as you need. Some useful examples include behavior tracking, session feedback, checklists, fine motor or group session notes, interview or intake questions. You can design templates that match your own clinical style and the way you like to document. If you select Insert Blank Table, you'll be able to add new rows, add new columns, type directly into each cell. This gives you full control to capture all the information you need during your session. Made a mistake? No problem. Rows and columns can easily be added, removed, or adjusted at any time. You can enter as much detail as you need, creating a structured record that you'll be able to access again in the future. Once you're happy with your table, tap Create Template. Give your template a name, for example, Session Performance Table, and save it. From now on, whenever you go back to Notes to Tables, you'll see your saved template ready to use. You can add as many templates as you like and switch between them whenever you're doing sessions, assessments, or group therapy. After completing your notes, mark off the therapy areas you worked on, save the session as a draft, or send it to your client when you're ready. Everything stays organized, structured, and easy to find. Using tables and templates helps you create your own structure by creating the templates you need, capture better clinical notes, stay consistent, and save valuable time on admin. With SpecialT, documentation becomes simple, so you can focus more on your patients and less on paperwork.